I'm Öykü. I'm Övgü. Today we are walking around and looking at the trees. We are going to walk around the walnut tree, pistachio trees, and olive trees, and more. And today is the nature day, so yes, join us. Come join us for our vlog. This is a beautiful, beautiful olive tree. And these are the baby olives. They're so cute and so small. Pistachio tree, and these are the beautiful pistachios getting ready for the September time. They are not ripened yet, but the pinkish sides show that they are getting ripened, and the time is around September. People are used to the salty parts that you buy from the grocery stores. They are hiding inside here. This is a walnut tree, and this is a walnut. It's still raw, it's not ripened. It's not the time yet, and this is the outer shell, and inside of it there's this hard shell of the walnut, and in the very inside there's the walnut that we eat. But this is still not ripe yet. We can see. Thank you for watching. If you want to see our other videos and see what we're gonna do next, you can subscribe below. And comment anything you want. We are curious what you are thinking about. Thank you. Bye.